And we're back to learning Inkscape, and this time I'm going to show you how to create the impossible triangle. It's also called Penrose triangle. It's fairly easy to do. Let us start. The polygon tool, 3 corners, hold Ctrl when you drag it. You've got your triangle. I press Ctrl D to copy it, and I give it a different color. When I size it down, I hold Ctrl and Shift, and I put it to the bottom of the first one. Snapping and snap to paths must be enabled. So the distance is important between these two. I'll press Ctrl D again, give it a different color, and now I'll make it snap right here. I shift click on these two, use path difference. So I've created this cut. I selected all path difference to create a cutout. Now I use the rectangle tool and I cut off this side. Once again, select all path difference. So this is what we need. So our basic unit. I'll select it, press Ctrl D. Click on it again, then you can rotate it, hold Ctrl when you do. And now just reposition it to the top node. You can see the bottom, we need to resize that a little bit. I use the nodes tool for that. Shift click on these 2 points, drag it downwards. Once again, select it, Ctrl D. I give it a different color so that you can see properly. Click on it again to rotate it. Hold Ctrl when you rotate. And put it right there at the bottom node. Once again, I need to resize them a little bit, so shift click with the nodes tool, drag it into the corners. And that's basically it. Let me select that all, and I give it the same color. And then I go to Object, Fill and Stroke. And I recolor that just a little bit. So select the outer one on the right, make it a little bit lighter. And I create the bottom one and make it a little bit darker. Just slightly. And that's it. This is how you can create this impossible triangle, Penrose triangle, in Inkscape. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.